Hello, friends. Today, I'm introducing an app that is currently rewarding its users. In this app, you can earn rewards by playing a simple and fun car game. If you would like to download the app, check the link I placed in the first comment of this video. It will take you directly to the download page. After installing the app, sign up using your email address. If you register through my referral link, you will receive a $1 welcome bonus in your account. If you choose not to use my referral link, you can still enter my invitation ID during registration. Doing so will also make you eligible for the same $1 welcome bonus. Before we continue, please take a second to like this video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos. Also, join our WhatsApp channel to get the latest updates about new money-making apps and online earning opportunities. Now let's continue. As you keep playing the game and reach higher levels, open the section called Grand Prize. There you will find special rewards prepared for players who have made good progress in the game. Now let me show you how the withdrawal process works. There are two withdrawal options in this app. The first option allows you to withdraw the dollar balance you see here. The second option lets you redeem the gold coins you earn while playing. Let's start with the dollar balance. Tap the option at the top of the screen. You will see the available payment method. At the moment, withdrawals are processed through PayPal. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10. If you enjoy playing games and stay active, you can reach this amount over time. Tap on PayPal, then enter the email address linked to your PayPal account, together with your account name. After filling in the required information, tap Confirm to submit your request. Now let's look at the second withdrawal option. Tap the option next to the gold coins. This will open another withdrawal page. Here, PayPal is also available. According to the app, 1 million gold coins can be redeemed for $10. If you want to collect coins faster, keep playing the games and try to reach higher levels. That can help you earn more rewards as you progress. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment with the word courage. You can also share this video with your friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.